Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing video of an order I got from Shopmissa. I'm wearing gloves because you know why. And so I'm going to open this real quick and then I'm going to throw out the packaging. I've already disinfected it, but just want to be safe, so I'm going to throw it out and then I'll probably, yeah. So just give me 1 second. I'm gonna go throw out this packaging. Be right back. So I pulled everything out, and when I'm done I'm just gonna disinfect my hands and should be good. So I ordered a couple of things off Shopmissa, and I ordered mostly hair and skin products. Last time it was mostly makeup and jewelry. I'm just gonna open everything out and go through it, and yeah. So one of the first things that I see here are these guys. These are sanitizing wipes. Sorry, there's some words I kind of mispronounce a lot. I'm still learning. So these are sanitizing wipes. There's 15 of them, and they're alcohol free. Well, I don't know how good they're gonna be for sanitizing. There's an alcohol in it, but whatever, it's still nice to have. And I might be traveling relatively soon when the ban or the whole stay in your house thing is over. Sorry. Just my guinea pigs making some noise. These are like perfect to have in your purse, so I'm pretty happy with that. And they're also mint scented, so that's cool. I'm not gonna open them just because, yeah. Oh wow. Oh, this is so cool. So I got this little tub of Vaseline from Shopmissa. And fun fact, I have actually never tried these small tubs of Vaseline before. And I don't know. I'm gonna give it a try. Oh. Wow, it's not really like securely like locked. But I mean, I don't see any fingerprints, so I think it's fine. This is nice for just even to have for my husband. Then I got some hair products. These I've ordered before. I really like them. They're actually to help thinning hair. My hair's not thinning, but I do lose my hair when I'm very stressed. Hasn't happened for a while, although I still bought this, and I actually really like it because after using it once, your hair is just amazing the next day. So it's just like a nice hair mask to have around. And I gotta admit, when I did this order, it was kind of before it was like in the middle of the whole self-isolation situation we have here, so I just wanted the things to kind of have to, so I can take care of myself. I wanted things I can use to take care of myself during this period, and I bought a bunch of things for my hair and skin. But this is $1, and I'm pretty sure if you have this kind of type of hair that I have, you can use this probably like 3 or 4 times. I think that's a really good deal for $1. So I got 2. I also got some different ones that I've never tried before. It's the same brand and it's like a hair mask. So I got olive oil. It helps repair dry split ends, and it's supposed to keep your hair strong and silky smooth. So curious to try this. I also have Brazilian nut oil, and this is for nourishes and helps hair growth. Helps increase blood flow to the scalp. Pretty interested to try this out too. And then the last one is argan oil. It's for frizzy hair, which is what my hair is. Pretty excited about trying them out. My hair needs it. So I also got these things. I've never tried this before. It's a nourishing nail mask. My god, you're supposed to have this for 30 to 60 minutes on your fingers. What? But yeah, I thought this would be nice to have, especially during this intense hand washing times where I don't want to be gross, but like, I don't know if you can see between my fingers, dry skin from washing like a maniac. Okay, so I guess I got one of this. So in the comments, people said that this works really well for panic attacks. So I'm gonna give it a try one day when I have a panic attack. It's basically supposed to work like, it like warms, it's like warming, and you put it on your face and it's like a warm towel with lavender. I think I got five. Ooh, five, okay. Of these guys. I have never tried this exact brand before, but these work so good on me, even if it's not a good brand and it's kind of, the quality is not the best. They work amazing on me. It's like my under eyes, they'll take anything, so I'm curious to see if this is gonna be good. I think so. Yeah, I have a good feeling about them. So I got 5 of them because after this self-isolation, I'm gonna be looking rough. What? I got 6 of these. I got I got 6 of these. These are retinol sheet masks. And I've tried them before. I really like them. I usually try to pick up a couple of them because usually people buy like, I don't know, like 20 or something, and they're always sold out. So I just stocked up. And then 5 packs of the same one but coloring. And I've tried these also, and they're really nice. I'm happy with those face masks. I think $1 is pretty decent price, I'd say. I don't think you can really get them cheaper. Now, my 2 last items are something I've never tried before by them, so I'm really excited to try them. And it's face cream. I'm actually running out of mine, so I'm very curious to just how they're gonna work. They look like this. And these are retinol skin cream, anti-aging, not tested on animals, and yeah, pretty cool. I'm gonna try to open it and see how it looks like. Oh wow, it's tiny. I mean, it's tiny, but smells nice. It's a pretty thick cream, and I mean, for size wise, it's probably really nice to travel with these. So I mean, these are $1. If they turn out to be really good, I'd say it's worth it. Yeah, pretty excited to try them out. And then the other one is collagen. It smells pretty nice. Yeah, here they are. Okay, sorry, I had to change batteries. The camera died. Anyway, here they are. So, I'm pretty happy with the things I got. Whenever I get around to test out some of the hair masks, I'll probably film that and do a review. Same with face creams, just because I'm really curious. And yeah, I mean, if it's $1 and it turns out to be working and it's good, then that's awesome. Anyway, probably gonna go and wash my hands now. Thank you so much for watching, and wherever you are, I hope you're safe and healthy, and I hope that you focus on everything that's gonna be good after this, and just, yeah, we just need to take one day at a time, and we'll get there. So, yeah, again, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye.